AI risks are not limited to technical failures. They often involve ethical issues, compliance concerns, and unintended consequences. In many real-world cases, AI works well most of the time. That reliability builds confidence. Over time, that confidence can quietly turn into overtrust. When AI outputs are accepted without enough questioning, small issues can accumulate into serious problems. One reason ethical risks are difficult to detect is that they don't always look like errors. Nothing appears broken, results are delivered, work continues, and everything seems fine until outcomes are questioned later or trust is lost. From an employee perspective, this means risk is not always about doing something obviously wrong. It's often about not stopping to question something that looks acceptable on the surface. There are several common risks associated with AI use in the workplace. One is bias in AI outputs. AI systems learn from historical data, and if that data reflects existing imbalances, the AI can repeat or amplify them, even without anyone intending it. Another major risk is data privacy and data leakage. Employees may share information with AI tools to get help faster without realizing where that data might go, how it is stored, or who else might have access to it. Incorrect information is also a serious concern. AI systems can generate responses that sound confident and authoritative, even when they are wrong or incomplete. This makes errors harder to detect. Finally, there is the risk of over-reliance on AI. When AI consistently saves time, people naturally begin to trust it more. And over time, verification decreases, and that's when the risk increases. What's important to understand is that these risks often reinforce each other. Once verification stops, incorrect information spreads more easily and accountability becomes harder to trace. Now, these risks become clearer when we look at realistic workplace scenarios. So, in hiring or people related decisions, even small biases in AI recommendations can influence outcomes if they are not carefully reviewed by humans. In other cases, confidential or sensitive data type may be unintentionally shared with AI tools, creating compliance and security issues that only becomes visible later. Now, another common scenario involves confident but incorrect answers. When AI produces a response that sounds convincing, it can be used or shared without verification, spreading incorrect information quickly. And in most real situations, the risk does not come from the AI recommendation itself. It comes from the moment a human decides to accept that recommendation without review, especially under time pressure. Once an AI assisted decision is acted upon, reversing it can be difficult. That's why the point of control is always before the decision, not after the outcome.